My name is Alesia. I was born and raised in Moldova Republic of. I'm a native speaker of two languages, Russian and Romanian. As for English language, I studied it for many years and now I am a TOEFL certified teacher. That means I am officially approved to teach English as a foreign language. I also speak European Portuguese. Olá, amigos, as I've been living about 12 years in Portugal now. But I am here to help you learn Romanian language. If you are an adult, a teenager, or a parent of a child, I encourage you to book the trial lesson with me. Let's discuss your goals. Let's make your individual plan. Let's make your way up to success. What can you expect from my lesson? You will be given a PDF version of the lesson with lots of informative materials. You also will be provided with the supporting materials of the lesson like audio files, videos, flashcards with sound created by myself for my Romanian students, for example, in the case of Romanian language. You will have your own classroom with the materials uploaded all together in one place that you will be able to access in any place where there is an internet connection. We will perform cultural immersion activities adapted by myself to elementary level in order to understand the authentic resources. And you will have to do homework. Yes, I'm sure that definitely will help you to learn better. And now I will answer a frequently asked by my students question. Can I learn a foreign language on my own? Well, let's imagine that you arrive in an unknown city and you have to get from the point A to the point D. Sure, you can get there by yourself, but it's more likely that you will get wrong streets or even dead ends, waste a lot of time and effort, and finally will give up. Whereas I can guide you, starting with the point A, getting to the point B, avoiding the point C because maybe you can get there a little bit later, and safely lead you to the point D. Compare this situation to your language learning. What do you think about it? While you think over it, I will tell you about the types of my lessons and courses. Lecții bine organizate, planificate, adunate din diferite surse și adaptate nivelului și necesităților tale. Lecții conversaționale pentru cei care vor să devină fluenți în vorbire, să-și îmbогатеască vocабулярul. Уроки практической грамматики для тех, кто хочет поглубже изучать грамматику выбранного языка или просто какую-либо определенную тему. Dacă doriți să învățați o limbă străină nouă, vă aștept la лекциile мele. Если у вас еще есть вопросы, пожалуйста, напишите мне сообщение, я вам обязательно отвечу. До встречи! Pe curând! See you soon! Bye!